morning vibes to you all this morning.
Iya.
We came in turangan merama durbu nongon elewan.
Iya.
Good morning and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show on Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
Apa bikin terus sebelum 5 menit mewaluna kelokan mata kiri. Ada benak Dems, ada benak
And to both of you gentlemen in this wonderful morning. I know to all the students waking up this morning is very, very good because they are happy.
Wakey.
They are happy because they are going back to school.
Iya.
Some of the kids, they can't wait
Iya.
to reach school this morning, to meet their friends,
Yeah.
to meet their favorite teacher,
Yeah.
meet their principal.
Who's?
Dina.
This morning.
Yeah.
Dina sa.
And
Dina sa.
likewise, some of the kids,
Iya.
all of the holiday, they are missing going on bus, traveling in bus.
Right.
Some of them, they can hug their driver
Yeah.
because of the...
Spirit. Yeah, some of them they're gonna miss their friends. Oh, today I'm gonna meet my friend.
Yeah.
Long time never see. But today is a day. Be punctual at school.
Yes.
Some of us will be and then they talk not to that. Some can't stand today
Yeah.
because it's not everyday life.
Dor,
Kasi ni
dor
mataw tiko mataw takiko.
Yeah.
To Kuskeli, Kustino Sikeli.
Oi.
This one from Macaulay, joining from Australia.
Oh, yeah,
Sending
benar,
regards. They're listening right now.
Andre.
They're listening right now. And also to Tamay Saini
Yeah.
from the place you joining. Thank you very much. Asya na rin ni ma.
Ada benak kibli pinawalum sarbito kada na mata kuah. All the bus drivers, all the taxi drivers, the minivan drivers tuning this morning, all the passengers. Most of the passengers are parents too, eh?
Ha.
Isa mat sumaw din baka sama takiro chiko na think about your children. Isa nungungan eh sana sa ponto bekango, you keep calling back, eh?
Ha.
Aber tulo chiki bale, sa ponto ko sisenga. Sa limbiu bina kasi sisenga.
Iya.
Wata mana kian na lunch, wata mana kabango, eh?
Iya.
Ina baka sama takiro chiko nongon, eh? Na nomni bimbiu chiko may na nomni tolili.
Right.
Sa ponto chiko may lumanin pa siya taxi na minivan back na mata kaniko. Ano bina kaber to all the passengers of the Taviro bus coming in from Wailoku this morning.
Julum.
We say mbulu benaka to each and every one of you. Ano naman ngolong cuma nataka na mata kaniko. Eu taro mo chiko na taro.
Come.
Yes, my
Na posa ko na re.
Ray.
Raise binaka.
Ray is good. Good.
When you write the email,
Yeah.
before you wala na yung nakininom mo, wala you see the re.
Oi.
Iya.
So ila ko may kaya ko na re.
Nasin lang may kina.
Ah.
Yeah, the re.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The re is mbula binaka.
Bula binaka.
R-E.
Oi, no man de ko na posa Andre. Bulan re.
Bulan rin ko rin na koli.
Siya ko na Andre, bulan re.
Siya nga.
Siya nga?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, they are in the same family.
Iya.
The binaka, the re, the sia,
Iya.
the binaa.
Oh.
Wina.
Same meaning.
Binaa.
Iyo.
They are in the same family. They are big family.
Yeah.
And they choose to be happy every day.
Yeah.
Right.
And the family is called what? Iya lang kasi. Yeah.
Okay.
To Jabi sa Tiritambua,
Yeah.
they are joining today from Namosi.
Got
They
it.
were Tuloa, Lombau.
Right.
Oh, this close to Mikael Galombol Taman Reliu.
Right.
Mula Binaka Torika Salu.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining me. Chito Lutu, this is from Nuevo.
Yeah.
In Rewa.
Right.
Don't believe Binaka Mindanu. Joining this morning, and also got this fella is from Autobata. He's loving from there.
Okay.
To all the tabulomo ndamambua student.
Iyo.
Ni tabulomo ndamambua.
Right.
Bakon ni binaka in today
Yeah.
for back to school. Likewise to the school drop off Maris Primary School, KMGM High School,
Yeah.
KX644.
Eh, ano
They are
binaka?
tuning in right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Julum.
Dropping off.
Yeah.
Julum.
Because they can feel the vibes in the road.
Iyo.
Yeah.
They can feel everything because of the queue.
Yeah.
They can side this driver, they side this driver.
Yeah.
This one say hi to this one.
Iyo.
Hey,
Dino sir.
And someone
Dino, sir.
calling
Dino,
now
sir. Yeah.
is called Are. Turang tadi mula menakale ni Grim.
Oi.
And also to the people from Tadiruan New Town West Tali da meme kino go ba musulo yato.
Ano binaka to the maramanita the liu ni Roruba.
Oh.
Sama cuma menu tahun dan mata kadi ko ano binaka maramanita. Eh, to tala taro bitorong.
Come.
Go ahead na binaka those people who are brought up from the bills, they will know this story. Saya na kasama ko. Nindang juga may ikaw.
Oh.
And then torong nga nindang tangin, torong matakil mo naman. Kita sangkay link takay. Doon na bulangin ba kachumi bali. Eh?
answer them.
Kami daw saud juga na manu, kamo kala na manu eh.
Iya mon liu.
Iyo.
Lalatu ikana kalalay.
Iyo, natawa kini pala bala.
Namanga.
Eh?
Napang nakaka.
Oh, okay.
Nakaka.
Sonang marumando rong may bikaw. Se mazi kadai sa waku suku sa mandela koro.
Yes.
Galo na koro tumay tirmay kyan na bulang. Pagkakin na toa.
Right.
Na toa ni may tangi matani bali.
Iya, tangi matani bali ndo naka watakili bulang sendo sa
English,
barukan
English.
Some people passed away
Iya.
when they inside. In front of the door, matani ka tumusar ka day. Oh, sometimes they have the hey, Joe,
Iyo.
because we know the meaning of jam coming.
Iya.
Yes, yes.
When they in the front of the door, that's two meaning.
Yeah.
One visiting.
Iya.
If no visiting,
Yeah.
then one living.
Okay. What is the connection boy? Sarang ngo bata na nature.
Yeah.
What kenda tambusa kana kenda tamata. What is the connection between a Lulu
Yeah.
and the pregnant one who never tell that she's pregnant? Why?
Eh.
Why?
If you study the Lulu, the owl,
Iya.
owl when they flying,
Iya.
you never heard. Merabuka, merongan teman. They never cause any pollution noise.
Iya.
Arsang man doon yung narongan na may buka. That's what we that's why
Yeah.
they collect their prey from whatever they go.
Iya.
They onto the mission
Iya.
because they does not have the may wrong nun merabuka ini.
Iya.
First of all is that one.
Yeah.
And another level is this. They are microscoping eyes.
Iya.
Ooh, they can look through.
Look through.
Iya.
Era manu matalibu eh.
Iya, iya.
They got the big eyes
Iya.
to see and the microscoping lens in their eyes.
Iya.
They look whatever is far away from the miles of where you standing like an eagle and the manuliu.
Iya.
Oh.
This one is owl.
Iya.
Sometimes they can look through us.
So
Right.
now your question is being answered.
Iya. Siya nga, o ira kilabata ba? No, dono ngonele o sambuke tiko.
That's what Dem is telling.
Iya, okay.
When the owl came
Iya.
to the house,
Iya.
he informed.
Oi.
He informed because he already looked through
Iya.
to that
Because
lady.
because
or
the
that-
owl kaya bukan ng bogi.
Yes.
He knows everything.
He knows
what's
everything.
going on.
Iyo. Kaya ko kamu tikon na kango.
Iya.
Esa kata koira.
Iya.
Kamu nibitan na bulo mengo happening.
Iya.
Yeah.
Alright, kung kilabata ba?
Iya.
How does the owl know that the girl never opened the mouth?
Because owl
Yeah.
is walking at night.
Right.
When
Not
you when you sleeping, the owl look outside.
Right.
Nangon na mo manoy ko.
Iya.
Yeah.
Okay, Vito Seki. And sometime when people sleep, they know what's happening to you.
Right.
If you were vomiting in the
in the darkness.
in the darkness.
Iya.
Kaya wala luar ko.
Iya.
He knows. He knows a different.
Yeah.
He knows a different, you know, if you vomiting
Yeah.
on pregnancy
Yeah.
or you vomiting of
Angona.
grognancy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ocho singango bikim draw.
Yeah.
Samu, look at me. I want to see your eyes. Wait.
Yeah.
On the left, right, set.
Ako na
Right, set.
tukita mi pango.
Let me see. Look at
Come.
me.
Yeah.
Lulu.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Already Rono Lulu.
They're going in the night. They're looking for something to eat,
Ano naman?
but they never surrender.
Ano mo tulong din Messi? Dennis, look at me.
Sa tiyo na matan Lulu. Sa rin ko
No,
sa
no.
mga.
Sanga.
Au sa rin
Samu,
ko
you can already go matan Lulu. Let me see.
Yeah.
You pregnant.
Au sa tiyo ko na matan Lulu. Sa rin ko sa mga. Sa rin ko nandun na leka. Hey, binabala po, Punjas celebrating 90 years. We love you all. This Tuesday.
Hey,
Ha?
we can look through too.
Who's?
Neneme
Huh?
is sitting from La Emba Sangari.
Oh,
Ulasi,
Mering.
Koto ka na korongo. Korto ka. Saan sa may kina.
He was posting a story yesterday.
Ah?
Iya.
And he was saying, barami totoo
Ah.
Darmayan beta mo.
Ay, le.
Sa bulan tu anda siya main batin na sombu.
Ha?
May laken ba?
Oh, untuk.
Iya, pati na sombu.
Batin na sombu.
Iya.
Ko da tako sitay.
Isa.
Isa.
Lo sa lini mais. Oh my God, oil in a Lulu. Lulu is a very different animal. When
No,
you see,
That's what I'm
they
asking.
send the message before when you watching a movie. Rando rin remukar ko tanay bola.
Iya.
I don't know that's
Kung ko sakit tu na balimbula. Sakit tu. Kung ko chiku ngair na klair marami na kore. Ora di ko ikong bukete. Pati ay.
Iya.
Chiku na lulu.
And sometimes,
Iya.
when you inside the house,
Yeah.
someone dream.
Iya.
Iya.
They dream about
Kanalebu.
I
Too
saw
much
on,
food in the
small
afternoon.
tuna,
Iya.
one short tuna.
Yeah.
I saw one big tuna.
Yeah.
I saw one big ngata,
Yeah.
big snake.
Yeah.
And they have their meaning too.
Meaning too.
Yeah. That's why. O di ko na tui ko na wala tam. Ko ang katan rang kay bakang balita ko Joseph.
So money.
Boy, lelut.
Why? And one thing,
Yeah.
before we end, I want to tell you one story.
Come.
Yeah.
In my village,
1 minute 20
Yeah.
seconds.
if you want to come somewhere, if you in the bush,
Yeah.
forest, farm,
Don't ask
if
a
you want
question.
to, no, if you want to eat,
Yeah.
I wish I want to eat chicken curry.
Yeah.
You just
I want to eat tanduru ka.
you break one leaves
Yeah.
in the bush.
In
There.
the bush.
There's a place there. The leaves there will be there. You break the leaves
Yeah.
and say, "I want to eat chicken curry." When
And
you
that
come
time
to
when
the
you break,
village,
when you
Yeah.
break, yeah.
you eat chicken curry.
Oh. So
Oi.
when you break the leaves, you toss it here.
Me kau man nai teni kau go risu ba.
Oh.
No.
Oi.
Kuak.
Can't grow anywhere. Only in my village.
Whose village? Ah, what's a village?
My village.
Naran pale?
Yeah.
What to rob?
You break the leaves.
Yeah.
Oi, I want to eat.
What's the name of the tree?
No, it's like the bamboo tree.
Oi.
It's like the bamboo tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why
It's
you.
very different.
Le musuh ko nang bitu ko sini bali.
Musuh kami tidak nason mereka. Wani bila kita salah pak. Sembera. Iya, wani bila kah. Ahamar jauh.
Eh, aku
Amar
rumu
jauh.
go.
Iya. De Messi.
Samu.
Iya. Gay like